Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem, which is O dot Fibonacci. So give a number and print the Fibonacci number of n. Fib 1 is equal to 0, Fib 2 is equal to 1, Fib n is equal to Fib n minus 1 plus Fib n minus 2. So here is the question, and we see the outputs. First input 1 and output is 0, and then put 5 output is 3. We already discussed about Fibonacci, so in this case we don't talk about Fibonacci more. So I I give the link of the Fibonacci in my description box. So first of all, we already have this kernel class and package also, and then we have to take a input from our user. So we write int n is equal to sc dot next int, and then we have to take another two variable, which is one is first and second, and then second. Those variable type should be long. So first of all, we initialize star first by 0, and then we initialize second by 1. So here I give 0. So at the end we remove it, and then we take another variable, which is sum, which are also long. So we initialize sum by 0. So then we write if n is equal to 1, then output should be first, and then else if n is equal to 2, when n is equal to 2, answer should be, or output should be, second, and if the code doesn't, if n is 3 or 4 or something like more, then output should be. So first of all, we have to go to pen, then you can see why I write this. So first of all, you can see if you input two numbers 0 and 1, first is 0 and second, here first number is 1, right, and second number is 2. So when one input 1, user input 1, then output should be first, like it means it output should be 0, and then someone input 1, then output should be 1, because in the second position, sorry, one input 2, then output should be 0, because in the index 2 you can see one situation, or then we go to if anyone input like 3, 4 or any other else, where in the meantime what is output. Here we run a loop, which is for loop. Here we take another variable, which is I, and I should be integer, and I is equal to 3, because we already have first and second number, then it start from third. So we write int I is equal to 3, and I is less than is equal to n, and then I already told us we already have first and second numbers. So then we start this loop or I from 3, and then what can we do? We have to we have to write first, we already take some, but I think if we change the name like Fibo, it will help us. So then we'll write Fibo is equal to first plus second, because we already know what the Fibonacci means. So then in the for this case, Fibonacci is first plus second, and then for the second, you can see here 3 is Fibonacci, and 3 is Fibonacci. for the second case or for other case, the here the one is you work like first and Fibonacci is work like second, so we can write second first is equal to second, and then we write second is equal to Fibonacci. So then we go to our code. Hope you can understand, because if you understand Fibonacci then you can also understand this. So then we write first is equal to second, and then second is equal to Fibonacci or Fibo. Then what can we do? We have to write output statement for so you can understand this better. So we write uh, we write statement for output, which is out or like system dot out dot println. So we print here second. So here we run the program. In this case I have made a mistake here. The initialization of second should be 1, because we already initialize first by 0 and then second should be 1. So we run the program and input 5, then you can see the answer is 3, and then we again and then we again run the program. Then we input 5, then you can see the answer is 3. So we have what we copy the code and go to a submit code, and then paste the code here, and it's take a few seconds, because we go copy or paste our code here. Then we click into the submit button and we wait for some seconds, then it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you can understand this. Like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.